Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and this is a really nice dark burgundy makeup look. I really liked how this makeup look turned out. I don't know, I just really like it. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, literally, I'm obsessed with this makeup look. Anyways, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, just please keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah. Guys, so I did went ahead and did this eye first just because I didn't want this video to be too long. So yeah, let's get started. I am going to be using the 35B palette by Morphe, which is this colorful eyeshadow palette right here. This one's missing, I don't know what happened to it, but yeah. Anyways, I'm going to start by applying this orange shade right here. So this will be my first shade I will be applying because I am going to be using darker shades. So yeah, I'm going to start with a light one first. And I'm just going to make sure it's nice and blended. So yeah. Guys, by the way, a lot of you guys been asking me about my eye contacts. I'm always wearing these. I do have other ones, but I do really love these more than the other ones, so that's why I'm always wearing them when I do makeup tutorials. So yeah, by the way, they are by Nada lenses. So yeah guys, I will link the information down below for you guys to go check them out. I'm just going to be applying this other shade. This one's like a really nice pinkish, like kind of peach color. I am going to be applying this one next. I'm going to be applying that on my crease as well. Guys, if you guys hear giggling in the background, that's my baby. You know, I'm a mom. It's hard to do tutorials sometimes because I do have a baby, you know. Then I'm just going in with this really nice pink purpley color, and I am going to be applying it right on the crease of my eye. Then I'm going in with this purple right here, and I'm also going to be applying that on my crease. And I am going to be taking this black right there, and I'm going to be applying it right in my outer corners of my eyes. I'm also going to apply it right on my crease as well, like right there. I'm just going to work the black back and forth. Going back with my other brush, and then I'm just going to be blending all the shades together. So I am going to be using my chocolate gold eyeshadow palette by Too Faced, and I'm going in with this really nice gold eyeshadow. I really like this gold eyeshadow. Like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So I am going in with this one. So I am going to be adding it right where I applied the concealer. Oh my gosh, I suck. See guys, it's so freaking pretty. I love it. I'm going in with my brush and then I'm just blending those two shadows together. So now my favorite part, I am going to be adding some glitter. So I am going to be adding it right on the crease and I'm just going halfway. Then I'm going back with my palette and I'm going to be mixing this shade with this one. And then I'm going to be applying it right under my lash line. Guys, I'm sorry if you guys hear my baby in the background. She's growing, guys. She's going to be 4 months on Monday, on the 19th. It's just crazy. It's just crazy, like, wow. So I am going to be priming my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. This is really soft. So anyways, I am going in with the new Tarte Shape foundation. This is the hydrating one. They do have one, like, it's matte, I believe. Sorry guys, my baby's just being, I don't know, weird. But yeah, this is actually my sister. She told me to try it out and see how I like it. So I'm pretty excited. I haven't really seen no reviews on this foundation, so we'll see how it applies and how I like it. So this is going to be my first time applying it. Oh, it's actually like the concealer. It's pretty cool. My sister said that it's too light for her, so we'll see how the shade fits me, because I am a little lighter than her. The color, it's okay. It's not so light or so dark. I don't know how I feel about the applicator. I don't know if this foundation is full coverage. It's actually applying really nice, but we'll see. I don't know if it's too light for me. So I did apply concealer, and of course I applied the Tarte concealer. So I am going to be using my Tarte contour palette. I'm going to be going in with this powder right here to set my under eyes. I am going to set my entire face with the MAC Studio powder. This one is in the shade NC42. So I'm just going to set my face with it. I'm trying something new because I always set my entire face with translucent powder. So now let's try this. Now I'm just going to be bronzing. Then I'm going to be applying blush. I am going to be using this one. This one is by e.l.f. These little palettes right here, they are so beautiful. So I am going to be using my Nicole Guerrero glow kit. I'm going in with, let's see, these two shades right there. So we came to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you guys like this makeup look, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know down below what videos you guys would like me to upload. It could literally be about anything. I'm down for anything. Any type of videos. So just let me know your suggestions and I will like read them and see what I think about them. So yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!